How to use Walmart shopping and grocery like a pro. If you want to use Walmart shopping application or web version like a pro and to make it much more efficient, you can utilize a couple of its features. The first is to always make sure that your payment method and addresses and other options are up to date. To check this, you can click account from the top right hand side and go to the option called account over here. Then when you've done that, we can always simply go to the settings from the right hand side, and right over here you can see wallet. So make sure to add a payment method in place, because next time whenever you're shopping for something, it will be much more easier rather than having to add them manually each time. The second thing that you can do is, if you're shopping for multiple products, instead of placing order one after another, you can add them to your cart. And when you add them to your cart all together, now you can directly check out for all of the products. And when you have many items, you might also hopefully get some of the discounts that are available. So I hope some of these may have helped you use Walmart more efficiently. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.